Hi, my name is Kelvin. So today I want to bring you with me to the process of sketching and drawing facial expression of my original character Luna. So this is the character. So I don't know if you can see this. Let's zoom. Oh right. So this is Luna. She is with her pet called Pinky. Anyway, if you want to know who is she and what is happening in this artwork, you can check out my Instagram that I posted there, and you can read a little bit of her background story. So anyway, I will put my Instagram link on them. I don't know. I will put it here so you can just check it out. Right? Since this is my first original character that I took it seriously, when I created, I really love her and I really want to know her deeper. So I got this idea of sketching and drawing different kind of facial expression of her, and yeah, let's get into it.
First of all, I want to apologize that I deleted the first four sketches that is part of my video. I only noticed it after I finished shooting it. So yeah. Anyway, as you can see here, I already sketched her natural, happy, sad and angry faces. For you to know, this is actually my first time trying this out. I always see myself as a perfectionist, but I didn't really enjoy calling myself a perfectionist. I noticed that it is hard for me to try new things in a certain area. For example, I always afraid to draw something based on real people that I know. When they ask me to draw their face, I often refuse it. I am afraid because my drawing will not look like them when I draw them. The dangerous thing is this attitude will appear in my other part of my real life. The fear of doing something new because I know it might not be perfect. The reason I talk about this is in this exercise it challenged me to consistently sketch the same feature of faces, but at the same time to sketch without stretching myself to make a perfect piece of art. Anyway, the most important thing is it is not that I did this because I want to be perfect in my drawing or in art, but I want to just break the idea of being perfect. For me, sometimes I need to know that it is impossible to be perfect, because once I told myself that I'm not perfect, I give myself a chance to make a mistake. So, in this exercise, I don't want to stress so much about her face, but I want to study on her expressions. Although it was hard, I keep correcting myself again and again with my drawing. Another thing that I've learned is humans are so unique. With the slightest combination of the movement of eyes, eyebrows and mouth, it can create a different kind of mood. So in every expressions, I think around how should I sketch her eyes, her eyebrows and her mouth, because I think these three are the main key for her to express herself. Of course, apart from her face, her body language also would determine her expressions, but I don't want to go into that yet. I did sketch her shoulder. If you notice, her shoulder is tense when she is afraid. I play with it in other expression too. For example, when she is sad, her shoulder will go downward. But when she did something indicate to protect herself, like when she is lying, her shoulder would be a bit tense. Anyway, I want to leave the rest of the video with time lapse and music for you to listen and inspire you. Thank you for watching this video. I just want to say I really enjoy by sketching and just make myself relax without stressing myself, without giving pressure to be perfect in this exercise. And I want to encourage you, sometimes you just need to draw something without thinking of the end result. So I hope you have a good time, and I will see you in the next video.